Most Bluetooth FM transmitters on the market today are cheaply made and fail within weeks. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Tired of crackly music and dropped connections in your car? This video will steer you to reliable options and clear buying signals. Today, I'm going to be going over the best Bluetooth FM transmitters that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the LENCENT FM Transmitter. This remarkable Bluetooth FM transmitter sports intelligent dual USB ports, a voltage display, and wide compatibility with most smartphones and devices. Users can stream music via Bluetooth, USB flash drives up to 32 GB, or microSD cards up to 32 GB. In daily calls, integrated CVC noise suppression and wind filtering provide exceptionally clear hands-free conversations, even amidst traffic noise. The device enables hands-free calling and voice navigation through your phone's apps, improving driving safety and reducing distraction on long trips. It can display your car battery voltage when plugged into the cigarette lighter, helping monitor health and avoid roadside surprises. A circular blue ambient light around the port adds a subtle glow, making operation easier in low light conditions. The transmitter covers a broad FM spectrum from 88.1 MHz to 107.9 MHz, ensuring stable reception. The transmitter automatically reconnects to memorized paired devices upon powering on, delivering a seamless user experience without repeated manual pairing. Dual USB ports supply 5 volts 2.4 amps and 5 volts 1 amp with overcurrent and overvoltage protection. Built-in intelligent temperature control and short circuit protection help maintain safe charging temperatures and minimize risk during long drives. In real-world testing, streaming music via Bluetooth and USB remains stable with minimal dropouts, delivering consistent audio quality. Compared to a typical budget rival, the LENCENT transmitter delivers more charging options and clearer hands-free calling in daily use. The pros include convenient dual USB charging, an informative voltage display, and broad compatibility with most devices today. The cons include a relatively small display and the absence of wireless charging, which may frustrate multitaskers and tech enthusiasts. At number 4, we have the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4. Right out of the box, the introduction signals a target audience of drivers who crave effortless setup, reliable calls, and stable streaming. The humanized ambient light switch design lets you toggle rainbow illumination with simple double presses, adding personality without distracting during driving. The build quality embraces a sturdy chassis and thoughtful LED lighting, while the generous display helps you confirm frequency and pairing status. Design continues with dual USB ports that support fast charging while protective circuits guard against overcurrent, voltage spikes, and overheating. Bluetooth 5.4 technology reduces transmission delay and improves connection stability, delivering quick pairing and fewer interruptions during calls or music. Noise suppression technology and echo cancellation clear up calls, while supporting music streaming from Bluetooth and from a USB drive. Backlit display and LED accents create clear visibility at night while adding a touch of style to the car interior. Hi-Fi deep bass mode activates with a press on the B button, delivering powerful immersive sound through the car speakers. Seamless auto connection makes every engine start feel seamless as the transmitter reconnects automatically, keeping high-quality audio with minimal lag. Compared to the Anchor model, the Syncwire delivers smoother, seamless auto connection and quicker pairing for daily driving. The pros include reliable hands-free calls, rapid PD charging, and sturdy build quality that withstands daily car use. The cons include a slightly higher price and compact design that may complicate cable management in smaller vehicles. In real-world testing, the device held a stable connection across varied driving speeds while delivering clear calls and clean music playback. Overall, the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 car adapter presents a balanced option for busy commuters who want speed, reliability, and convenience. At number 3, we have the Scosche BTFM9. From the moment you unbox it, the device signals a durable build suited for daily car use and versatile functionality. It targets commuters, road trippers, and tech-minded drivers who want seamless wireless music, voice assistant access, and hands-free communication. Setup is straightforward through the cigarette lighter socket and Bluetooth pairing, letting you focus on driving rather than fiddling with menus. The housing favors a compact silhouette with a matte finish that minimizes glare while remaining sturdy enough for daily dashboard placement. The curved body and integrated USB ports offer a balanced weight distribution, reducing the risk of dislodging during quick accelerations or braking. Its build feels durable for a budget device, with reliable cable joints and a stable clamp area that fits many dash contours. The unit streams audio through Bluetooth while offering a 3.5mm AUX input for older stereos, maintaining broad compatibility. Voice command support integrates with Siri and Google Assistant, enabling hands-free control for calls, music, and navigation without touching your phone. The USB-C and USB-A ports support fast charging standards, turning the device into a practical on-the-go energy station. In daily driving, the signal maintains a stable connection with minimal audio dropouts and consistent volume levels across different cars and radios. Music playback sounds clear and balanced, while the hands-free microphone captures speech clearly even as engine noise rises. Call quality remains reliable and hands-free calls stay clear under highway wind noise thanks to effective mic and echo cancellation. Compared to the new LENCENT NX model, the device delivers more reliable hands-free calls and faster charging for everyday commuting. The pros include easy setup that requires almost no technical knowledge, crisp call quality during conversations, and broad compatibility with many devices. The cons include occasional lag during rapid Bluetooth transitions and a lack of a bright display, which can frustrate some users. At number 2, we have the LIHAN FM Transmitter. Within seconds of plugging in, the LIHAN FM Transmitter presents a seamless, user-friendly setup targeting drivers upgrading older vehicles without Bluetooth. Designed for non-Bluetooth cars including older sedans and trucks, this adapter unlocks wireless audio without costly interior upgrades. The build quality feels premium thanks to a brushed aluminum shell that resists fingerprints while delivering a tidy, compact footprint on the dashboard. The compact profile, wrapped in a brushed aluminum shell, slips into most 12-volt cigarette lighter sockets without crowding nearby controls on dashboard. An upgraded FM signal stability system reduces static and radio interference when navigating busy city streets, ensuring clearer music playback and calls. Bluetooth 5.4 enables faster pairing and a consistently stable connection, letting you switch between cities without losing your audio stream. Seamless app audio streams through your car radio, including Spotify, YouTube, podcasts, and GPS navigation, eliminating the need for a separate stereo upgrade. Enhanced voice pickup and noise suppression improve hands-free calling on highways, while the single button handles answer, reject, redial, and end calls. 7-color LED backlight guides your finger placement and reduces night glare, allowing effortless operation without distracting other drivers on late-night journeys. 48-watt USB-C PD plus QC fast charging powers multiple devices simultaneously, keeping phones charged while navigation streams music and calls. Supports iPhone, Samsung, Pixel, and iPad, showcasing broad compatibility across devices in 12-volt or 24-volt vehicles. 7-color LED backlight aids night operation, while reinforced non-slip side clips stabilize the unit on rough roads. Compared to the new LENCENT WX, the LIHAN FM Transmitter offers steadier Bluetooth connections and clearer calls across highway speeds. The pros include easy setup for quick start, crystal clear calls on the road, and broad device compatibility across brands. The cons include higher price and occasional pairing hiccups. At number 1, we have the Syncwire Bluetooth FM Transmitter. From the moment you unbox, the device presents a compact form factor that fits neatly in most dash spaces and cup holders. The tactile buttons, clear labeling, and intuitive layout encourage quick pairing and effortless hands-free calls during busy commutes. Construction uses sturdy materials and a compact chassis that resists everyday scratches while maintaining a modern, understated aesthetic in your cabin. Inside the housing, the unit delivers 38 watts of total output, powering Quick Charge 3.0 and PD 20-watt ports. The setup uses Bluetooth 5.4 for faster pairing and more stable streaming of music and navigation audio to your speakers. Hi-Fi bass feature elevates the low end, while ambient backlighting adds a tasteful glow during prolonged night drives, enhancing atmosphere. The bass feature balances power with clarity, ensuring music remains clear and detailed at highway speeds while cabin noise rises. The built-in noise suppression reduces wind and road noise for clearer hands-free calls during busy drives. Compared to the Anchor Drive Pro, this Syncwire model provides faster charging, steadier Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, and superior navigation audio routing. The pros include fast charging, stable Bluetooth connection, and crystal clear calls. The cons include higher price and bulky footprint. In real-world driving tests, the unit maintained stable FM connections and delivered clear audio, aided by CVC noise suppression. For drivers seeking convenience, this transmitter combines rapid charging, broad compatibility, and clear audio into a straightforward, value-driven package.